Welcome back to the Marketing Ninja Podcast with Manuel Suarez, CEO of Attention Grabbing Media and author of #1 bestseller, Marketing Magic.
I will be talking about the use case of AI right now in the game of business and in the game of money, so you understand its potential, because the value of a tool is entirely dependent on the user of that tool. There is no avoiding it. You gotta be able to experience it and learn it and master it. You cannot avoid it. I am making it a central part of my day to try to figure out how to implement AI in the business, so I can make sure that I make a business that is here with a shield, protecting it against competitors that are using AI efficiently to generate business, to deliver services, to grow and to implement things at paces that were never before even dreamed about. So it is a fact. Today I'm going to show you actual use cases that will help you do more and make more. AI is not new. How I'm using it, though, is new. And what you're going to learn today, nobody else has taught you this before, and nobody else has taught you how to use it in this exact way. Easily create multiple edited clips from a single video in minutes without having to actually edit them. This is like whole thing about being able to create a video like this. I have a camera in front of me. I have a camera over here. I got a whiteboard behind where I'm doing my content for my YouTube channel. By the way, I take those videos, and now by pressing a few buttons, those videos become content for all of my social media, and they make me look omnipresent, like I am everywhere, just like God, even though it's just social media. I'm not trying to compare myself for anybody that's taking that personal, of course. But in the reality of the social media world, you want to be as omnipresent as possible. So we have the ability now with artificial intelligence to create content on a whiteboard, on a desk, with a camera, with a cell phone, long form content that you put it into the machine, press a couple of buttons, and it spits out clips that you can actually post on Instagram Reels, on TikTok Reels, on Facebook Reels, on everywhere that you have the opportunity to spread your message. Your message can be spread far and wide. And that's one of the incredible things that we are going through right now. And I'm gonna give you an example of that. You can turn a long video that looks like this. I'm gonna play you just a few seconds of it. Something that I realized over the years. I'm already 43 years old at the time of this recording in the year 2024. But I realized this. The reason why I did not really like school, the reason why I did not want to study, the reason why I actually never read a book in school that I was assigned to, but somehow, miraculously, I ended up graduating high school without ever skipping a year. By the way, the reason why I was able to graduate without having to skip years is because I had an ability to communicate, and I was able to be liked by people, and I was able to get somehow exceptions and workarounds and solutions to have people allow me to keep going. That's the reality. We take that video, which is actually 5 minutes long, and then we go and we do something like this. Those mentors have become partners of mine, whether through my agency or through other businesses that we're building together. One of those mentors is Tom Cummins. Tom Cummins is the founder. Why am I telling you all this? Because in order for you to achieve success outside the system, you must have already found a passion. Of course, the process might take some time to try to figure out what is that thing that you like. Are they above your level? Are they below your level? If you look at your environment and all you see is people at or below your level, you need to look for other people to add in that environment, because the ones that are going to drive you. So when you look at the long form videos, 5-minute videos, 8-minute videos, 20-minute videos, there is no reason why that just sits by itself and doesn't get utilized on all these other platforms. We have a tool now that you can have access to. You can actually throw entire long form videos on it. And so all you gotta do is create some long form videos, and from that, you'll be able to create an omnipresent world of Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and TikToks and videos and so forth along the way, because that way you actually get to leverage the organic platforms in this particular environment, the social media opportunities, so you can capture attention across the internet era. Something that is available for you to do right now, that it takes you a couple of clicks with a long-form video to be able to create content just like that is perfectly built for you to download and post on social media platforms. These were created with zero video editing. What you saw right now was not edited by another human being, by nobody. So if you always thought that having an editor on your team would be something valuable, well, yes, it is. I actually have 50 of them in my marketing team, and they create some really good content. But now you can start somewhere. You can get your content distribution going and don't have to be analysis paralysis or implementation paralysis, hoping for perfection, which happens to be the greatest enemy of progress. You want to make sure that you keep on moving forward. Use case number 3. Turn any YouTube video into a step-by-step written tutorial or procedure in seconds. Let's say that we just watched a video that explains how to write a YouTube video script perfectly. Just like this. It talks about this is the script planner, what is the topic of your channel, what is the hook to bring them in, what is the logo, the intro, the call to action, the outline and the main points, the video conclusion, what you want to add at the end, all those different items. The title of the video is How to Write a Script for a YouTube Video in 7 Easy Steps. Without even leaving the page, you can generate the text for a complete tutorial based on the content of the video. Check this out. I take that video and I plug it in and I say, help me generate a detailed explanation of this particular video, an action step to take, and even a checklist. The purpose of this procedure is to equip creative directors with a comprehensive method for scripting videos. By following these steps, directors can ensure their content is engaging, professional, and well-targeted to their audience. Step-by-step scripting procedure, introduction to scripting for content creators. Scripting is crucial for content creators across all platforms. It enhances confidence, professionalism, and engagement in videos. And here's the preparation steps. 1, understand your content's purpose. 2, identify audience needs. And just like that, with 1 or 2 clicks, you got something like that was actually put together in a couple of seconds, not even a whole minute, with just a YouTube video link. It's pretty incredible stuff that's happening right now when it comes to execution. So I got the entire thing right here. Step 1, 2, 3, and then the scripting process, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then even additional tips. So imagine how much valuable your team can be, your staff, your employees, your partners, if they simply decided to apply some of this technology to themselves. And there's a lot of use cases for this. Customer service tools, business tools, powerful branding and positioning tools. It is legit. This is business at its best. This is making money from these tools. This is not just like looking at having fun with it. I do enjoy having fun and showing you the videos that I made with AI, but this is actual business success. This is actual making this into money makers for you. I promise you that.
Hey, thanks for listening. If you enjoyed the podcast, go ahead, leave us a review and subscribe to tune in for future episodes. And if you're looking for a team that'll go above and beyond for you and your brand, go to talktoaninja.com today.